How to mute and unmute someone on Messenger. First is by opening your Messenger app, and then there are actually three ways to mute or unmute someone. The first one is by pressing and holding their name or their chat right here, and then click on mute right here, and choose whether you mute them for 15 minutes, 1 hour, and etc. For example, I'll choose just one. And in order for you to unmute them, you may just do the steps once again. Press and hold, click on unmute, and then they will be unmuted. For the second option, you may swipe left like this one on their chat, and then click on more, click on mute, and simply follow the steps that I mentioned before. The third one is by opening their chat, click on their name or their profile, scroll down until you can see notifications and sounds, and click on mute notification right here. Click on it and again follow the steps that I have provided. So that's it. That's how you can mute and unmute someone on Messenger.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.